Have you ever felt discouraged when you opened your compost bin and were hit by a strong, unpleasant odor? The foul smell, maggots, and leaking garbage bags can quickly turn your dream of a lush green garden into a frustrating nightmare. The feeling of helplessness shows on your face when your efforts to make compost at home seem to be going nowhere. Leaking trash bags and wilted plants caused by unfinished compost are often the price of not understanding the process. How many times have you wanted to give up on your eco-friendly journey simply because you couldn't control the rotting mess? But don't give up just yet. Let the quiet stillness of an early morning offer you a completely new perspective. Today, we're going to learn how to turn everyday discarded items into silent heroes that protect your kitchen. Old toilet paper rolls and cardboard can help bring back a fresh-smelling space and a sense of peace of mind. Let's begin the journey of healing the soil by gaining a deeper understanding of how natural decomposition really works. Why does kitchen waste smell bad? The answer lies in excess moisture and a lack of carbon-rich materials from the very beginning. When liquid from food scraps isn't absorbed, it creates the perfect environment for odor-causing anaerobic bacteria to thrive. Cardboard and toilet paper rolls are the perfect solution thanks to their incredible moisture-absorbing ability. Just look at how the porous organic fibers in paper can soak up every drop of liquid in seconds, keeping surfaces dry. Inside those seemingly simple layers of paper are millions of tiny air pockets that hold water remarkably well. Even odor-causing ammonia gases can be trapped, preventing them from spreading throughout your living space. One of the biggest mistakes composters make is allowing the pile to become too wet, and cardboard acts like nature's best dehumidifier. It also serves as an essential carbon source, helping balance nutrients so decomposition can proceed more efficiently. Each corrugated layer creates tiny air channels that allow oxygen to penetrate deep into the compost, preventing rot. Transforming a harmful anaerobic environment into a healthy aerobic one is the key to odor-free composting. Using these discarded materials not only helps the environment, but also keeps your kitchen cleaner and more organized. Properly preparing enough dry materials determines nearly 90% of a compost batch's success. Now, let's build a magical compost bin where the miracle of renewal begins. First, place a thick layer of cardboard on the bottom of the bin to create a moisture-absorbing and air-circulating base. Next comes the honeycomb method. Stand the toilet paper rolls upright side by side in neat, sturdy rows. This structure creates separate chambers that divide kitchen scraps into smaller sections and maximize airflow. Prepare your kitchen scraps by chopping them into smaller pieces so microorganisms can work faster and more efficiently. Every cut is a small act of care, transforming meal leftovers into valuable nutrition for the soil. Carefully fill each toilet paper roll with kitchen scraps, treating every roll like its own tiny nutrient chamber. This keeps wet waste completely separated from the walls of the bin, where moisture buildup and odors often occur. A small amount of coffee grounds can boost nitrogen levels and add a pleasant aroma to the natural composting process. This separation is one of the most important steps for preventing fruit flies from laying eggs and multiplying. Cover everything with a layer of shredded cardboard to lock in odors and help keep the microorganisms warm. Working with nature requires attention to detail and patience, turning a simple chore into an art form. Close the lid and let silence do its work. No noise, no odor, just life quietly transforming. Your compost bin now blends naturally into the garden, so clean and discreet that it hardly draws attention. Gone are the annoying fruit flies and the dirty liquid stains on the patio floor. Feel the gentle warmth coming from the sides of the bin. That's a sign that the microorganisms are hard at work. Composting this way isn't just about managing waste. It's about learning to respect the natural processes of life. Let time do its job while you enjoy the peace and comfort of your own kitchen. This level of cleanliness will make you appreciate gardening even more and value every organic scrap you generate. 3 weeks have passed, and it's time to open the secret box and see the results of your patience. There's a sense of excitement now, but none of the fear of foul odors or unwanted pests. Look closely. The toilet paper rolls have turned dark brown and softened slightly, yet they remain dry and remarkably clean. Lean in and take a smell. You won't detect any foul odor from decomposing food scraps. Instead, you'll notice a gentle woody scent mixed with the smell of damp earth after an early summer rain. It's the scent of life being renewed, the fragrance of a new cycle beginning from the simplest materials. Do you see those white fungal threads? They are the delicate ribbons of healthy life. Their appearance is a sign that your compost has reached an ideal balance of moisture and oxygen. Each crumbly piece of compost slips through your fingers, light, clean, and pleasant to touch. The breath of the soil has returned, quiet yet powerful, turning waste into black gold for your garden. The magic created by cardboard and kitchen scraps has quietly completed its mission with remarkable elegance. Now it's time to return that energy to the soil and nourish the green life waiting to grow. What was once considered an environmental burden has become one of the most valuable resources in the garden. Watch how the soil welcomes this gift, becoming looser, richer, and more vibrant with life. The result is more than just fertilizer. It's fresh, healthy vegetables for your family's table. It's vibrant roses filled with fragrance, proving that your care for the soil has been rewarded. A smile spreads across your face as you harvest the fruits of your own effort and dedication. You don't need advanced skills or expensive equipment, just understanding, patience, and a little attention to detail. Through this quiet process, you've helped heal both your garden and your own spirit. A greener lifestyle isn't far away. It begins with old cardboard and toilet paper rolls already in your home. We're teaching future generations how to value life and protect the earth through the smallest everyday actions. Your garden is now more than a collection of plants. It's a symbol of faith in a sustainable and peaceful way of living. As the sun sets, take a moment to sit down, enjoy a cup of tea, and admire your garden. Feel the stillness and deep gratitude for everything nature has given us. Every successful compost batch is a small step toward restoring balance between people and the earth. Thank you for joining us on this meaningful journey to bring life back to the soil. Save those old cardboard tubes and start your own compost batch today to experience the magic for yourself. Goodbye for now, and we'll see you again in the next peaceful green corner of our sustainable living journey.